Today we'll talk about how can you change your name on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. In your profile, it's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just click here on account settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on name. So when you click on your name here, you just here add your first name here. So add your first name and here add your last name here. So when you're down, you just click here on save changes, then it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do to change your name. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.